going on, guys? Back at it again. We're about to do a startup, cold start on a 62 Chevy Impala. So that's it right there. Let's go ahead and start it up. This is the first time being started in like a month, I would say. So let's see how long it takes me to start it up, and then I'll give you guys a walk around of it and the air suspension setup. So here we go. All right, pump it, pump it, pump it. Nothing. There it is. Wasn't so bad. Wasn't so bad after all. So, there it goes. Just let it kind of warm up. I'll go ahead and turn on the compressors as well. And let me let you in where I put my little switch at. My little switch is right here. All right, compressors are on. I'm gonna let this bad girl warm up, and in the meantime, let's do a walkthrough on it. And so as you guys can see right there, is laid out. Air suspension. I'm actually gonna post every single item that I have on this air suspension on the description below. I'm gonna add the links to it so y'all can just go click on them and buy them. All right, make it simple as that. Easier than that, I can't do it. All right, so that's actually the links to the current setup that I have now. All right, so here's the setup. There it is. All right, clean it up a little bit, put the little mats on there, and because it was just too plain Jane, so it looks a lot more cleaner now. All right, so that's the 8-gallon tank, of course, which a lot of people were asking me, and I know on one of my last videos I said nine gallons. No, it's not 9 gallons. It's an 8-gallon tank, 9-port. All right, so, and I'm running the 444 Viair compressors. They go all the way up to 200 psi. I changed out that gauge because I was having issues with it, the previous one I had. So this one actually is a 300 psi gauge, which now, there it goes. Now it'll read 200. The other one wasn't reading 200, and I thought I wasn't reaching the proper pressure. So I have the switch, on and off switch for the compressors with what is it, 165 startup and 200 psi cutoff. So that's what I have, and I'm currently running the half-inch lines to every corner. All right, SS7 airbags. What else? Half-inch valves, SMC, and I'm also running the wiring kit, which comes with a fuse to each of the compressors and the main fuse coming from the battery itself. And I did all the wiring myself, so I reversed the controller because I wanted the actual wire coming in from the bottom instead of from the top. So let me let you guys see that. You see what I mean? All right, see, comes in from the bottom. So I actually wired it up this way, which you got your front up, front down, corner, then your rear, back up, back down, and your corner. All right, and then these are all 4 of them right here. So that's all I need. All right, so that's it. The car currently has a 350 motor with a 350 transmission, and it's not the original one, it's aftermarket, well, off of another car. So it's got that. What else? I did the end sway bar links, which helped out a lot, and I need to do the shocks up front because the bags actually, with the bags installed, you have to remove the shock and the spring. So rear, I left the stock shocks on there, which work perfect, and they actually help me so I won't be able to overextend and start scraping on the drive shaft. All right, so and then so I need to do the shocks, the relocation kit for the front. So yeah, that's that. And also I got the tail lights, which these are the Dapper, I believe they are. Let me turn on the lights. And I did the LED kits up front as well. Yeah, see, there it is. So there they are, LED. And I actually did all 6 of them because I like how all 6 of them light up. And usually the stock one is just your outer ones. This one's off. All right, so I like the fact that all 6 of them light up. Here, let me go ahead and hit the brake so you guys can see the sequential on them. The sequential, how that works out pretty awesome. I actually like the way it works out. And so that's that. There it goes. It kind of warmed up already on me, so I'll bring it back just to be able to show you underneath the hood. Pick it up a little bit just to be able to clear it. There it goes. And on one of my videos, I actually adjusted the rear differential because I was actually rubbing on the main body. There's a notch down at the bottom. I was rubbing on the body, so I actually adjusted the differential down so whenever it was slammed, it wouldn't sit on the body itself. So now I'm actually able to drive it without it being rubbing on it. All right, let's go check out the motor. All right, there it is. That's the motor right there. And as you guys can see, I have that because I put a bigger air filter just so I could suck in more air since I added more fuel. So I did that. And also, I upgraded my radiator to the 3-core aluminum, I believe it is, 3-core aluminum radiator. With I'm running the spout fans currently on there. Let me get a light real quick. All right, so I'm actually running the dual spout fans, the electric fans, which I wired up with a relay that's off to the side. I did the big 3 upgrade for the power and the grounds, just to be able to keep up with the compressor since they draw so much amps, and this as well. And I upgraded the alternator to I believe it's a 180 amp. So I did that and 1 wire, so it works out pretty good. And I actually use this to wire in the fan that goes right there by the thermostat, so that once that switch hits, I believe it's 160, 185, it'll kick on and and it'll kick on the fans and just start bringing down the temperature on triple digit weather, you know. That's when it works the most. So yeah, that's that right there, guys. Running out of rock carb, just a regular 350 engine, no performance stuff done to it. Just runs nice and smooth, you know. So that's it. Alright guys, that's it right there. Hope this helped out. Hope you guys enjoyed the little show. Anyways, all the links will be on the description below to everything I purchased on this car in regards to the air suspension. And hope this helps out, and hope this actually makes it a lot easier to finish y'all's build. Alright, so I can get it on the road and start enjoying it and hitting the little switches. Man, people say they're not switches, but hey, I have a lot of fun with it. I enjoy the car, and hey, hope you guys do too. All right, catch you guys on the next one.